Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a dynamic chart in MS Excel. Alright, so I'm making use of the pivot chart and then I'm adding some dynamic stuff to the chart. So first I'm gonna show you how it looks and then later I will show you how to create one. So this is my chart, this is my dummy data table. On this data I have created a pivot chart and I have added this list so that I can choose what I want to see. And there is some option here. By checking this, you have an option to choose multiple items in the list. So right now it is selected. That means I can select multiple items in this table, right? Okay, so if I don't want to select multiple, to see just one, I will uncheck this. So now I will not have an option to choose multiple items from this table. So if I click Jan, everything will disappear, only Jan will appear, right? So this is a multiple scenario whether you have to choose. It depends what kind of analysis you want to see. Both are completely different. Alright, if you are looking for monthly things against each of these items, yes, you need to uncheck this. If you want to compare multiple months against multiple services as multiple units, yes, you select this and select the months however you want. Say for example, I would like to see data of every a month, every 6th month. All right, so I'm gonna select this. I'll select Jan and then June and then December, right? In this year, what is the analysis for every 6th month? Not every 6 months, but it's every 6th month. All right, so like that you have an option dynamic. You can change the chart dynamically, and look, this will change the orientation. Everything will change based on the content selected, items selected, right? This is very useful. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna show you how to create this. So there is one trick here. So everything else is same. When you generate a pivot chart, everything else is same, but adding this extra slice is a trick here. So I'm gonna do that right now. So first I'll copy this to a new sheet. Okay, this is my dummy data and I'm gonna insert a chart here. So first I'll insert a pivot table. Okay, no, sorry, new sheet. Okay, yeah, I created a table, pivot table here, and I'm selecting this sales figure by month into a row, and then I'm selecting all this into values. So this table doesn't give us any information in terms of summary or analysis. This is just a table, right? When I insert a chart and add a slicing, it'll be more useful, right? So the thing what you need to do here is the row I have selected here, right? This should be sliced. So select this and add as a slice. Click on this. All right, so this is what you get. This is the key here. All right, so I'm gonna create a chart now. Insert chart. Okay, we'll see this. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, at this. Okay, so again this we can select multiple items or just one item. So this time I have selected a different chart, so it looks, stack bar. So let's change this. Change. Okay, so this is how it looks. I will select multiple. See, look how it adjusts. See, it will fit into the same area. Okay, now I will flip this, so the months into I will interchange the items into months. So for that I will click on this and show pivot options. No, not this. Show free list. Yes. So I'll interchange this rows into columns. Alright, so I'm gonna drag this here and then I'm gonna drag this here. Please see. Okay, earlier it was months here, but now it's this entire thing is for 1 month, and one item is for like oh sorry, this entire thing is for others, and each of them are like 1 month. So this is Jan and this is April, etc. So let me see this for one item. Yep, looks clean and clear. Select multiple. Yep. So guys, this is how you create a dynamic chart using pivot tables, and this is very simple and looks very clean. Okay, thanks for watching. Check out my YouTube channel for the other useful videos. I basically upload videos on VBA and other office automation stuff. Thanks for